My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Wanqu, Wanqu. This is a ransomware that affects many files today. Before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without complications. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Wanqu ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So then people suddenly realize that they cannot use their data, and the ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably. It is not possible to use the files anymore. All the data gets damaged and encrypted by this Wanqu ransomware. Pretty soon you will see the consequences of the ransomware attack. Well, keep in mind that I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm simply showing you what can happen because of this ransomware. My video is for the educational purposes only. So you try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Wanqu extension. The ransomware also drops this ransom note mentioning that you need to pay the ransom for file recovery, but of course paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. I recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green download button. Install the program. Then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. After you download it, click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. You may go to Settings and then click on Anti-Ransomware tab. This feature allows you to add certain folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. Of course, Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying and deleting other threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other types of malware. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed and finalized. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations on your computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.